HP is updating its popular Spectre x360 convertible laptops today. The 13 and 15-inch versions have a new gem-cut design with a more angular look and feel. The new design also includes a USB-C port that is tilted at the edge of the Spectre x360 to improve cable management. Unsurprisingly, HP is including Intel's latest 8th-gen quad-core processors within the 13-inch Spectre x360, and 6-core options for the larger 15-inch model. The great promise of the new 13-inch Spectre x360 is the longest battery life in the world in a quad-core convertible. That's the whole claim, and HP promises up to 22.5 hours of battery life. We will have to test it completely, but even if it manages half of that, it will have a solid battery life. Elsewhere, there is up to 16 GB of RAM, up to 512 GB of NVMe M2 SSD storage and even optional LTE support with the Intel eSIM design. While the 13.3-inch screen looks similar to last year's model, the bezels have been reduced slightly in all directions. However, there is still a fairly large chin and a superior bevel. You can choose between an FHD panel or a 4K screen, and the option will really depend on whether you value the 22.5 hours of battery life with a 1080p screen on a 4K screen and less. HP has also incorporated a switch to shut down the webcam on the side of its latest Spectre x360 models.